The elevator is broken. The elevator is broken. My refrigerator is empty. My refrigerator is empty. My bicycle tire is flat. My bicycle tire is flat. My camera battery is dead. My camera battery is dead. I can't find my ticket. I can't find my ticket. I hit my head on the table. I hit my head on the table. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. My car won't start. My car won't start. The traffic is terrible. The traffic is terrible. My computer is slow. My computer is slow. The ferry boat is late. The ferry boat is late. I missed the train. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. The bus is full today. The bus is full today. It started to rain. It started to rain. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I got soaked. I got soaked. My shoe is wet. My shoe is wet. I missed my flight. I missed my flight. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. I can't believe I took the wrong bus. I can't believe I took the wrong bus. The classroom is hot. The classroom is hot. I burned my hand. I burned my hand. I slipped on the floor. I slipped on the floor. I have no gas. I have no gas. I run out of money. I run out of money. I broke my glasses. I broke my glasses. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. I woke up late. I woke up late. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I sent the wrong email. Ugh, what a mistake. I sent the wrong email. Ugh, what a mistake. I broke the plate. I broke the plate. I lost my charger. I lost my charger. My bag is missing. My bag is missing. I spilled the milk. I spilled the milk. I dropped the cake. I dropped the cake. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. I lost my pen. I lost my pen. I forgot my book. I forgot my book. I missed my stop. I missed my stop. My alarm didn't ring. My alarm didn't ring. I forgot my lunch. I forgot my lunch. My coffee is cold. My coffee is cold. I broke my mug. I broke my mug. I dropped my sandwich. I dropped my sandwich. I spilled juice on my shirt. I spilled juice on my shirt. I forgot my jacket. I forgot my jacket. My zipper is broken. My zipper is broken. I lost my glove. I lost my glove.
Thank you for watch this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.